It's the Canadian winter right now. We're getting a bunch of snow. It's absolutely gorgeous. But one cool thing is I'm grilling. And I just wanted to take a moment and talk about my charcoal grill. Because as you can see here, it's at 500 degrees. But it's like -10 outside right now. And it's easily snowing a lot. You can see that there. But guys, here's the cool thing, okay? So I'm using Kingsford charcoal briquettes. Check it out. This thing is easily grilling this chicken beautifully. Doesn't that look spectacular? I'm actually quite excited about the results here. I mean, you can see I got beautiful crispy skin. We're bringing these up to temp. I'm just making sure they're getting past 165, but I'll probably actually bring them closer to like, I don't know, 180. I like my chicken thighs a little bit more well done. The darker meat, it's delicious that way. But as you can see, this looks spectacular. Like, I'm actually really excited about how good this looks. This is my Napoleon charcoal grill. I'm using 2-zone cooking. You can see over here, I got my Kingsford charcoal, and then I got nothing on this side. That means when I close the lid, the chicken over here is gonna be on indirect heat, but it's still gonna be in that high temperature zone. Like, even with the lid up, this is still above, well, we're coming up on 350 degrees. And this is gonna climb all the way back up to about 500 degrees. And I'm telling you guys, like, look, you're out here in a snowstorm. And here's the cool thing. A gas grill will not be able to handle this, and a pellet smoker won't be able to handle this, but the charcoal grill will easily be able to handle this. That's why when I talk to people about like barbecue in the winter, I always suggest a charcoal grill. Don't know what to say, man. They are just way better. You can even smoke things on them low and slow using like the snake method. If you're interested in that, jump over to my channel, check it out. I got other videos on that. But for now, just this charcoal grill is exactly what you want if you're barbecuing in snowstorms like me. If there's bad weather, if it's -10 outside, you know, you can see my breath. It's cold out here, man. But like, I'm into barbecue. I really dig it. And here, let's check out those chicken thighs again, because they're looking spectacular, aren't they? Check that out. Seriously, this is a 10 out of 10. Look, if you're like me and you're just interested in winter barbecue, I suggest getting a charcoal grill. This thing's like $200. You can get charcoal grills for under that. Like a Weber kettle, it's like $150. Napoleon, they make one for like $180. Really high quality, and I highly suggest you go check one out if you're like me. Winter grilling is totally a thing. To think that barbecue has a season is completely incorrect. Winter barbecue is unbelievable. One of the best briskets I ever smoked was it. Damn, my camera cut out there. Anyway, seriously, like -18 for smoking a brisket. It turned out so juicy, tender, and delicious. The crazy thing is, this actually has enough space on it. If you wanted to use the snake method, you could totally smoke a brisket. Realistically, it's not ideal, but for $150, you're gonna get a delicious brisket smoked. It's still gonna be fantastic. You might not have some huge offset smoker like other influencers. I have a big offset smoker, I'm fortunate, but not everyone is. And this is exactly where I started. You can do ribs on this, seafood, chicken, the whole shebang, bud. Let's go in for one more quick look. Doesn't this look absolutely fantastic? How do I flip this camera? Oh, I can't. Anyway, let's go in for one more look. Yeah, let's do that again. Let's check it out. All right, flipping it around. Crispy, delicious chicken. Doesn't this look spectacular, guys? Man, oh man, winter barbecue is my favorite. Look, if you haven't done it already, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm your boy, Saucy Rossi. I'm always out here grilling up a storm, having fantastic times in these Canadian winters. Come join my community of home cooks. You're gonna absolutely love it, bud. Like I said, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, comment below how much you love chicken. Take care, stay safe, and have a great day.